Hey, welcome back to the channel. In this episode, we're gonna work on getting the pop-ups working on this RX7, so come along. I know it's been a little bit of time since we updated you guys, but we have all the front lighting is done. The only thing that's really left to do up here is the headlights, get them to work up and down. We got the beams to work and wire up the radiator fans. So if we have enough time, we'll do the radiator fans tonight, but the big thing right now we gotta do is I wanna get the pop-ups working properly. And then, yeah, move on to maybe wiring the engine up. I believe black is ground. And I believe black and white is regular power. See what color we got here on the wiring diagram. Red with blue should pop it up. And then if we touch this one, it should go up.
Hey.
This one should go down. Perfect, okay. So then what we need to do is we need to grab either a wire or a piece of yarn and get our measurement from the PDM out to the farthest headlight away.
All right, where's our trusty wire?
So what we'll do when we route it, Derek, is follow the fender, and it's gonna come across here. And then where are we going with your headlight motor wires? It's like we could bring them through here, but that'd be ugly. I'd almost wanna bring them like back around, you know what I mean?
Well,
I mean, we could also come down.
Well, let's just do it
down.
there because the other wires are gonna run up here.
Okay, that's fine. It's not the end of the world.
It's gonna, I have a plate.
Yes, I remember that, yep.
It goes up over this, so anywhere down here you're not gonna see. So
Okay.
if we just run them up, we'll just run them up.
I like it.
That way.
What is making that noise?
That's the goats.
Oh my god. Sounds like something's getting murdered.
I know.
I'm good if you are good.
Okay, hold on. Let's.
Yeah, go ahead and pull slack out.
What?
You can go ahead and pull slack out.
All right. How far are we going here?
All the way to the driver's side headlight.
Yep, I'm there. As far as the plug.
Okay. So this is the main power. This is what powers the actual. Jesus, guy. Powers the motors.
Sure.
So that's one that's going to carry the most amp load. The other two is just to control the relays.
2 times.
Sure. One more, like right about here.
Got power?
Yeah. All right, you ready to do the fun part?
Yay. Just the whole pull through the stuff. Let me go get some tools. Hillbilly process.
Yeah. Well, again, it's because this is adhesive lined. If we didn't have adhesive lined, it wouldn't be as big a deal.
Yeah.
But making do with what we got.
Ready?
Yep. Oh boy.
We gotta cut it down more.
Try pulling on it a little bit. Oh, yeah. I pulled it right off.
Ready?
Yeah, let's give it a shot.
Still thick? Too thick? Because of the tape?
Well, and the wire size.
You know, we probably could have bought some non-adhesive stuff by now.
You know what? Yeah, let's do that. So we can always unpin this and run it. You know what I mean?
What do you mean?
All right, you want to grab your light and set it up in front here, bud?
I'm not gonna be able to get them under the zip ties, so.
Just, yeah, I mean, that's something you can do on your own time too. We mostly just need to get them ran and then in here and then get our grounds ran. We're free! We're free! Run for the hills! All right, ground that one, and then we'll be onto the inside stuff. And it's gonna take a little bit of programming here, but I think we'll not take too terribly long to do it. Now, I gotta pin these two, Derek, and then we can probably test it.
What two you pinning?
The
up and down?
Up and down, yep.
You already have the other two pinned?
The main power, I did that first.
Oh, nice. Are those controlled on the PDM or the?
Yes,
okay.
PDM.
Oh yeah, that's right, most of the body was on the PDM.
Correct. Stripped almost down. Down is going to be HCO10, which is A18. Do I think this is gonna work right away? No, not really.
Well, why do you say that?
I don't know, because like, I just had really bad luck with my pop-ups, so. Okay, this should have them go up, hopefully. Are you ready?
Up.
Both of them up?
Yep.
Lights on?
Yep. Down.
First time,
Told
dude.
you. Put them back up again.
Do it again?
They're fast. Probably the first time they got full power.
Right. About the only thing that's going to be a little weird right now is we'll probably have to do some tweaking when we go to do the high beams, but that's beyond, like in the programming.
Right.
Yep. I'm beyond stoked. If you guys remember, if you watched any of my 8.6 videos, I was fighting my pop-ups, and honestly I still am, but that's mostly because my pop-ups have a micro switch inside. Low key, I want to see if I can make these motors work on my car. So if you got any spares, I might try one out.
Good luck.
I mean, they work better. They work so much better. So yeah, well, that's where we're gonna leave this episode. We can check all the front wiring besides the radiator fans off the list, and then we can move on to doing engine harness and some really weird interior stuff like, you know, getting the windows to work and stuff like that, but making good progress. So if you guys are liking this kind of content, make sure you subscribe, and we'll see you next time.